Hey, what's up guys, this is Ars from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my ShopZPresso review demo and $3,997 bonus. Now, what it is a free-in-one online store that you can run, and the cool thing is that it also allows you to have affiliates, which affiliates will be making sales for you. So that's where you're going to get all the traffic from. Obviously, they will include training on how to get even more traffic, but essentially I always repeat this over and over and over again to anyone that is new online. You need your online hub, okay? So you need a website, or you need a blog, or you need an online store where you can sell anything, okay? So you can sell physical products, you can sell digital products, you can sell licenses, you can sell whatever you want. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how it looks like, how much money you can make. We're gonna go dive deep into it, and I'm also going to show you an example store, okay? So let me share my screen. Let's jump into this ShopZPresso review. And before we'll start, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just went to Fiverr and I checked how much money people are actually charging for creating a store like this, okay? So first of all, you would have to spend this amount if someone else would set it up for you, or you can actually do this for other people. So if you don't want to be creating these stores or have an online store yourself, you can actually charge other people and create these stores for them. So the first gig I found is this one right here. I will build e-commerce website professionally online store. 106 euro, which is like $115. And as you can see, this guy sold 338 gigs and he has 17 orders in queue. So people actually buy these gigs. And as you can see, the second one is I will set up Shopify dropship online store, 97 euro, which is again like $110. He sold 3. And the last one is I will create an automated Shopify dropshipping online store, and this one is 238 euros, like $250, and again 12 sold, 3 orders in queue. And guys, again, this is how much money you can make even if you don't want to do anything else but just have an online gig on Fiverr and just sell these as a service to other people, okay? Well, that being said, let's check out the sales page. So as you can see, it says ShopZPresso. Are you tired of get rich quick BS and want something that works? You're one click away from activating your pandemic-proof business in a box in 59 seconds. So testimonials, as always, some proof. Mosh Bari, that's the guy behind this new product. Obviously tons of proof right here. ShopZPresso, again, that's the name of this new product by Mosh Bari. More testimonials. Essentially he gives you some examples, but I'm going to show you a full example in a second. You're going to get all of these bonuses mentioned on the sales page, and my bonus is worth almost $4,000 on top of whatever you're getting right here. Money back guarantee, so again, no risk on your part. You can check it out, and then if it's not for you, you can just get a refund. That's essentially it. You can go through all of this in your own time as always. Let me show you an example store, okay? So this is how it looks like. As you can see, amazing looking store, and again, this is not only for e-commerce. You can sell anything you want on these stores, okay? So you can do a mix of digital products and physical products. You can do physical only, you can do digital products only. You can sell anything. You can sell your services, you can sell licenses, you can do whatever you want because you control what you sell. And again, the cool thing is that you can actually have affiliates, give them a commission, you know, anywhere from 5% to 50%, and these affiliates will be sending you traffic. So that's how you're gonna make sales. And the cool thing is that it doesn't cost you a thing if you won't be making sales, okay? So you only have to give the commission if someone actually makes a sale. Many people around the world build multiple 7-figure businesses just basing their sales on affiliates, including myself. You know, most of the sales that I'm getting from my products, I would say 80% is like affiliate sales. So this stuff works, and the affiliate program is included with ShopZPresso, okay? So as you can see, you know, we have all these different things that you can sell. We have feature products, we have banners that you can add whatever you want to. We have best sellers, we have flash deals, we have you know, special offers, top rated collections, you know, saved products, hot new trending sale brands. You know, all of this you can set up as you want to, okay? So again, an amazing looking side, obviously we have the categories right here, so you can use any categories you want. We have the blog right here, so even a blog is included. We have about us, the about us page, the contact us page, tracking your order, the shopping cart, everything you need to make sales online is right here. So this is an example. Now let me show you the inside of the members area. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm not going to be creating a new store right now, but I will have a full demo both on my blog as always and on my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's just go through the dashboard right here. But again, if you want to see how to actually create a store from scratch, I will have a separate demo. Okay, so first of all, we have the dashboard. So orders pending, orders processing, orders completed, total products, total customers, total posts. We have all these stats right here. So then we have orders. Obviously we have all orders, pending orders, processing orders, all of this. Then we have products, so this is where you add the products or where you control all the products. We have affiliate products, so this is where you add the products that you want to sell and let affiliates sell them for you. Then we have customers, so obviously you're going to have a customer list. As it grows, you're going to be making more money because you can contact them each and every single time that you have a new product. Vendors, so if you are using the same vendors to deliver products, like for physical products, you can add them right here. Vendor verifications, vendor subscription plans. Then we have managed categories, cross-selling relations, bulk products upload. Then we have the blog. So obviously this is a very, very cool thing because again, you will be treating this whole thing as your online hub. Okay, so this is where people will go if they want more information from you or anything, or if they want to buy something from you, or if maybe they want to read about a new product. You can add a blog as well. Messages settings, homepage settings, email settings, language settings, all that stuff. SEO tools, so all the SEO is included with this, so obviously you can set this up as well. And that's essentially it. So again, tons of features. I'm not going to be showing you how to set all of this up right now. Check out the full demo if you're interested. But essentially you can create an amazing looking store to sell anything, and the cool feature is that you can actually have an affiliate program, and the affiliate program is included with it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let's check out all of the upsells. Okay, so ShopZPresso will be $19. Now we have 6 OTOs, and as you can see, the first one is unlimited version, if that's $39. So the basic version will have some limitations, and you'll be fine if you just want to test it out, see results, see how it works. And obviously you will make money with it, but if you want the unlimited version, it is $39. Done for you is OTO number 2, and it's $197. And this is these are done for you stores, done for you campaigns, and essentially done for you pack. Okay, so obviously you can create these stores from scratch in any niche, so you can set up these stores as you want, or if you want the done for you stores, which saves you time, essentially that's OTO number 2, $197. OTO number 3, $57, and this is done for you traffic. So obviously the more traffic you can send to these stores, the more money you will make. And this is a done for you traffic pack, which includes tons of traffic. Next up, we get endless profits, $67. So this is for scaling up your profits with your stores. Then we have reseller's license, $197. So essentially a reseller's license allows you to sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. Okay, so this will even include the white label for $997, which is the last OTO white label license, which allows you to grab ShopZ and just do whatever you want with it. So you can launch it as your own product, you can rename it, you can rebrand it, you can add your name to it, so you can essentially sell it as your own product. So resellers, you have to promote it as is, and you're getting 100% commissions. And with white label, you can do whatever you want with it, and just again launch it as your own product under a different name with your name on it, etc. Okay, so these are the LTOs. I have a full funnel breakdown right here on my blog, and as always, guys, I have a full written review, so please check it out as well. And this is me and Mosh in real life, by the way. And let's check out my bonuses now. You're gonna get all of these bonuses from me for free, just as a thank you for picking up ShopZPresso through my link. Now, first of all, let me just tell you that 9 a.m. Eastern on May 15th is when Mosh is going live with ShopZPresso. To pick it up from my link, all you have to do is click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog, the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, but only after 9 a.m. Eastern on May 15th. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses, especially for ShopZPresso. Now, these are 3 different traffic sources you will need to make sales, okay? So obviously, the more traffic you can generate, the more money you will make with your store, with your online hub. And these are 3 separate traffic sources you can use custom-made bonuses to ShopZPresso. Next up, I have a couple of additional software products. So you're going to get done for you profits and lazy profits, okay? Both of these are software products, and these are exclusive for my subscribers only. I'm also going to give you a massive done for you pack, okay? So with the done for you pack, you're getting done for you products that you can sell. And these are actual my products, W's of the Day awarded products, and what you're getting is PLR rights to it, okay? So these are not some PLR I found, these are my actual products that you can rebrand, resell, give it away, sell, whatever you want to do with these, you can, because I'm giving you full PLR to these. And I'm also going to give you 49 done for you emails. So these are 7 separate affiliate marketing promotions, 7 emails for each promotion, and these are again done for you. All you have to do is copy and paste and start making money. Now, we talked about making money on Fiverr with ShopZPresso. You can obviously set up a Fiverr gig and do this for other people. So I'm giving you 3 of my top selling Fiverr products: Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser. And you're also going to get a bunch of W's of the Day awarded products, okay? 3 step profit machines, quantum profits, piggyback cash system, fusion, newbie traffic formula, and on top of all this, you're going to get a bunch of additional software and plugins, okay? First of all, 12 best WordPress money making plugins. So this is a bundle. 9 more, so Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin, base sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Short Hold Call to Action. And also responsive slider, YouTube video gallery, Pinterest portfolio, post grid, post widget, courses plugin, client extractor, image grab, viral suite, action simulator, Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, pin book, social tracker, traffic hoover, Facebook traffic engine, and Facebook photo contest. Now that's a total of 53 bonuses, but I'm not done, because you're getting my mega bonus to all of it. Now, my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and product of the day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. So you're getting my mega bonus on top of all this, and this means that the total value of this package is $3,997 real world value. So you're getting custom made bonuses, my own products, software products, additional plugins and software, which means that this is an actual value you would have to spend if you would like to get these on your own. So this is not some PLR crap I found on some free website. These are actual high value products, okay? Guys, as always, have a full written review as I mentioned already. And this will include this ShopZPresso review sum up. So to sum it up, you can sell physical, digital, and software products. So you can go exclusively physical, exclusively digital, and exclusively software. All do a bundle of all these. This is one MegaStore to sell everything. One-click import, and you can do thousands of products. Free traffic from affiliates. That's the big selling point, because you're gonna get the affiliate set up for yourself, and that's included. Get free traffic obviously from affiliates. You can make $100 to $500 per day, newbie friendly, tested, no tech skills, no staff needed, and every internet worker needs this. So I really always stress that whatever you do online, you need your online hub, and this can be a website like my blog. It can be it can be a blog, it can be a website, it can be a store like this one. So this can be your online hub. Now, what I don't like about ShopZPresso, this will be your online hub, which means that you have to focus on it, okay? So you can have a store and a blog and a website and a bunch of additional websites, so people don't know where to find you, okay? This has to be your number one hub, and if you'll decide to get it, this is where it will be. So it can be a minus and a plus. With ShopZPresso, obviously everything is done for you, but I would recommend you that down the road you actually own your own website. Okay, so again, this can be a minus, it can be a plus if you're a beginner, but just something to keep in mind. Again, guys, check out my fully written review. I really put in a ton of work into these. Check out all of these bonuses I got. 9 a.m. Eastern on May 15th is when it goes live. Use one of these blue links from my blog again to pick it up from my link, or the second link in the description from YouTube, and let me show you how to claim my bonus after you'll decide to pick up ShopZPresso from my link. All you have to do is go to your purchase history in Warrior Plus, so click on your name right here in the top right corner, go to purchase history, find ShopZPresso, click on it, and below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you get my bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It is all done for you automatically. And for the last time, 9 a.m. Eastern on May 15th is when Mosh is going live with ShopZPresso. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. If you like this video, please like it on YouTube and subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.